Alright, here is our Shine FobPocket for the Tesla Model 3 key, and it is only for the Model 3, not for S or X. Just want to show you how to install it. So to take it apart, just grab it on one edge and pop it apart, and then you'll see both of these pieces. So the bottom piece has some little kind of teeth all around the edge, just very shallow ones, and then on the top piece is like a lip all the way around the edge. So that's what we want to make sure we engage, to make sure your key is held safe. So let's put the key in. And we're going to start by putting the front of the car in, kind of tuck it in, and then just work down the sides. And then when you get to the back, just sort of pull it on the little key ring holder and then put it over the top of the lip. And you'll know when you've done it right, because the gap all the way around the edge will be nice and snug, it'll be the same. And then that ensures the key is safely contained in your Shine FobPocket.